Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. So happy to see you. Let's start with calendar. So the month is May. We know today is Tuesday, which means yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow is Wednesday. We know that the year is 2020. If yesterday was 18, that means today is 19, which is where our little star is. I'm going to move the little mom, she's so cute, right into the little square there. And we're ready to pull it together. You ready? Today is Tuesday, May 19, 2020. Awesome. Let's do our Days of the Week song. You ready? Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 You guys are awesome. All right, let me go to full screen mode. And I thought we could sing the donut song. I feel like I haven't done that in ages. Sing it with me. Oh, I went to the donut shop for something to eat, 'cause I was so hungry from my head to my feet. So I picked up a donut and I wiped off the grease, and I handed the lady a 5-cent piece. Well, she looked at the nickel and she looked at me, and she said, "Hey, sister, you can plainly see there's a hole in the nickel and it goes right through." Said I, "There's a hole in the donut too. Thanks for the donut, toodaloo." Now eat your donut. Delicious. Okay, let's do 8. Count them. 8 sight words today, not just 6. I thought, what the heck? Let's bring it up a notch a little bit. Let's read through them first. You ready? Went, down, walk, every, hour, day, put, there. Okay, I thought for today we could try, just for fun, to put these words in a sentence. Why not? Okay, let's start with went, and they have to be funny sentences too. How about, I went to the store and saw a hippopotamus. That'd be kind of weird. Okay, next word. Let's do the word down. You ready? She fell down after she tripped over a mouse. Oh, silly sentence. Okay. The next one is walk. I will walk with you if you buy me an ice cream cone. I like that. That's not really that silly, but it's a good sentence. I guess they don't all have to be silly. Okay, this is the word every. Every time I see you on video, I get so happy. And it's true, I do. That is not a lie. That is true. Okay, how about our, this is the word our kindergarten class is the best. And that is true too. Okay. This is the word day. Each day that I get to spend with you is the best. Even if we have to do it on video and Zoom, it still is the best day. Okay. This is the word put. Where did I put my coffee cup? Do you remember how you guys used to help me with that all the time? Here it is. But do you remember I used to put it down somewhere and lose it? Or like I'd lose my books and I'd say, "Boys and girls, I need your help." And you'd always find stuff for me. Always. Okay. This is the word there. This means a group of people who own something. So for example, I think those people lost their dog. See? Excellent. All right. Nicely done, by the way. Okay. Let's do our 26 letters. Let's go, man. Ready? H says H. K says K. C says K. Y says yup. E says eh. I can't hear you. I says itchy. B says b. F says f. S says s. M says mm. G says g. J says j. X says x. Beautiful. T says t. O says aw, what a cute baby. U says N says A says get out of here. D says d. R says P says p. L says W says whoop. Z says z. Q says qu. And V says v. Beautiful job. I love it. Okay, so I am going to say a word. I'm thinking about animals because I love animals. Everybody loves animals. I'm going to say an animal and we're going to figure out how many syllables there are. Let's do cat. Ready? Cat. That was easy. Just one. Let's do frog. Frog. Just one. Let's do alligator. Alligator. Whoa. 4. That's cool. Okay, let's do monkey. Monkey. 2. Perfect. Let's do giraffe. Giraffe. 2. Let's do rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Wow, 4. Let's do another really juicy one. How about hippopotamus? Oh boy. Okay, how many fingers will we need? A lot. Ugh. Okay. Hippopotamus. 5. I don't think I've ever done a 5 one with you. That's a lot of syllables. Awesome job. All right, guys. Listen, you did great, and I will catch you in the next clip.